Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to be reacting to female wavers wave check. Alright, I'm going to be the Gordon Ramsay of waves right now. I'm going to be very honest, okay? Nothing, I'm not playing no games, alright? So wave check female edition by Jerome Flex on them. You know, I reacted to a couple of the videos in the past, so yeah. But guys, right before we get into this video, if you want to copy 260 King Wavy merch, link is down in my description. Use discount code JUICE15 to get 15% off your overall purchase. So what are you waiting for? You get 15% off. Why not order yours now? So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into this video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, we are starting the video. Shout out to Jerome Flex on them for these compilations. Okay, I'm ready to subscribe, so I gotta subscribe again. First, so let me like the video. Alright, let's make it full screen. Female wavers, they got it when it comes to, you know, dyeing their hair. But this color right here, I'm not feeling it. I could barely see the waves, alright? I'm gonna be real honest too. I'm not lying. Definitely swimming though, but I gotta look close. I gotta squint my eyes. A lot of forks. I could barely see the forks. I gotta really pay attention to the forks that I'm looking for. The crown area needs work, but that color right there is kind of like making me lose focus on the waves and just be like, wow, your hair is white. Now let me try to focus on the waves. That's how it is right now. You feel me? And I could barely see the waves. Now this one right here, this one is a blonde. It's not a white color. The blonde is much nicer than. I hate these ads, man. I'm gonna have to skip, Jerron. I'm gonna have to skip, man. But yeah, the blonde, bro, I wasn't done, man. The blonde is a lot nicer because you can still see the black kind of in here. It's not really white, but and you can still see the pattern of the wave and everything. So the blonde is a lot nicer than the white, and I can see a lot more definition with this one right here. All right, we got the unrag, double compress, no, triple compress at that. So you better be spinning, all right? Better be spinning. And you drinking water, so your hair better be hydrated. Nice. Y'all see, like, the black color is just natural, man. It's just like, I can see the definition. I can see the ropes and everything. You feel me? Stick to black, ladies. Sign that. Y'all could dye whatever color y'all want, man. Just my opinion. Got another unrag. Two-tone do-rag. Nice. Nice. Team natural hair colors, man. Like, bro, this is dope. I don't see no forks on this side. Crown looks closed. Okay, it's one fork right here. On this side right here. It's one at the top. It's a lot of forks on the left side, so I can tell that's your weak side. And I know you're gonna break them. Just keep working. Trust the process. Looking dope. Jerron, let me see the next one, man. Dang. Unrag. I can barely see anything. Okay. See it better. Your hair's not flowing right. The right side looks good. The top side needs a lot of work. Left side looks decent. Crown needs some work. Let me see the back though. Okay, no back. Everyone knows the Baldy Babe is spinning. Alright, she like the one of the top female wavers out there. She dyes her hair a lot, and most of the colors that she dyes are pretty nice. What the heck am I just saying? Most of the hair colors that she dyes her hair to are pretty nice colors, and you could actually see the waves pop. This maroon color, this burgundy color is really dope. I like the burgundy color. I actually tried dyeing my hair burgundy and it was really dope. It makes the waves pop. And let me see the waves. Okay, didn't see it. Another nice color. Couple forks on that side, couple forks on the back. Top, the crown looks closed. Right side, couple forks. Okay, so you got at least 14 forks in here that you gotta break. Keep brushing, trust the process. Definitely spinning though. Oh, I was about to say, okay. Female waver edition, guys. Come on, Jerron. Come on, man. Come on. Let me just see the waves, man. I think this the girl woman. This is the female waver that I thought was using a kit because the waves look too shiny and laid not to be a kit. But turns out she wasn't using a kit. So kudos to her. But it's a lot of forks in there that you gotta break. Keep brushing and trust the process. Alright, let me see the waves though. I'm convinced female wavers are worse than light skins. Alright, please don't take it any type of way, because I be on TikTok, the light skin wavers, they be showing the waves and showing their face. You feel me? That's what y'all doing in most of these videos. I just want to see the waves. Like, let me see. Okay, you're showing it on the mirror, but I could barely see anything. Just put your head down. You feel me? Put your head down. Alright, skip. I just saw this one, Jerron. I just told her she gotta work on the top. Let me see the waves. Put your head down. I'm gonna just wait till after this one. Okay, put your head down. Let me see the waves. There we go. Great connections. That side right here, this side right here needs some work. Crown needs a little bit more work. Got a couple of parts. Parts are not so good when it comes to trying to become an elite waver, because when you get those parts, you see that part right here, this side has no waves at all, even down here. So be careful with those parts, guys, or ladies and gentlemen, be careful with those parts. Take the hood off. Let me see the waves. Okay, you spin it. Okay. The flow is not right. The flow goes like a snake, like an S. Make sure the flow is straight. I know who this is. This is dang, I forgot her name. Mo, something like that. I know her because I think she's an ambassador for 2-6 King Wavy Do-Rags merchandise. But yeah, she definitely spinning. Just put your head down a little bit so I can see. You know? Okay, yeah, we're not gonna have to get a wave check. Just showing the faces. Right here, it's a big old spot right here that I don't even think has waves. But since it's a blonde/white color, I'm not sure if it's wave. Oh, it's a part right here. That's why it's a part. Y'all see the big old part right here? That's why there's barely any waves over here. Because the parts, I mean, I don't know. The color's kind of playing tricks on me. Okay, I can see the waves on this side though. The waves on this side looks good. Couple forks on that left side, but there's no waves right here. Let me know in the comments if y'all can see some waves, because I can't see none. Put your head down. Let me see the waves. Put your head down. Put your head down. Okay, next. Oh, okay. You did put your head down. Fork on this side right here. Let me see the. Turn your head. Jerron, what are you doing? Okay, there we go. Nah, it wasn't Jerron's fault. It's my fault. Wave check. Nice. That's a nice color. Fork right here. Great flow at the top. Everything is going straight across. Great flow at the top. No S's at the top. Fork right here. So yeah, pretty good. Let me see the back though, because y'all know y'all just put it down and bring your head back up. I don't wanna see your face. Okay. Wait, check. Hurry up. Okay. Put your head down. There we go. What he doing in the back? You don't got no head. Alright, let me chill. You need a wolf. Okay? Wolfing is gonna make this side a lot more darker. You're gonna see a lot more definition on this side. You won't have any hair on this side. That's why I can't really see nothing when you're showing it to me. But when you do put your head down, I kinda do see a little bit of waves. Alright? So yeah, wolf, and that's gonna get your waves right. Alright, next one. Oh, let me see. Come on, man. These freaking ads. Sheesh. Crown needs some work. Like I said, wolf is gonna take care of that. I don't know, but I remember her when I first started waving. I used to see her around on top wavers, but let me see if she's gonna show her face or her waves. Oh yeah, definitely spinning. Put your head down now. Like, put it all the way down so I can see it. Okay, next. Alright, forks. But great definition, yo. Great shine. Amazing shine. Great hair texture, everything. I could barely see anything on this one. That bright red color. You brushing your hair with what? With a cigarette? What the heck? I ain't never seen that before. I don't know what that is, y'all. Come on, yo, dang. take the hood off. I want to see the waves, man. I mean, I keep saying man. I'm not calling them a man. I'm just saying man because that's how I just talk. I don't know why. Okay, good. Put your head down. There we go. Now I can see it. The top needs a lot of work. It's not. So she just showed her face 75% of the video and put her head down for 2 seconds and that's it. That was not a wave check. Female wavers, y'all gotta learn what wave checks are. Not face check, wave check. Dang. Okay, that color right here. From looking at it from over here, it looked like you need to wolf a lot. Alright, but that color's throwing me off. I could see shadows. Not shadows, but alright. I don't think I'm ever gonna react to female wavers no more after this. I'm not sure. I don't know. Whoa. This one right here is dope. This one right here is dope. I like the 720 flow. I don't see no forks from the way I'm looking at right now. That big old part in the middle. Yeah, that looks dope, man. That looks dope. Let me see the sides though. Like, okay, keep going, keep turning. Okay, only show the top. Okay, cool. I guess this is a loop. Okay, Jerron, you always doing this when you finish your videos. That's it, man. Alright, y'all, that was something else. Female wavers, y'all proved in this video to be worse than Lightskins. Alright, no offense, but I told y'all I was gonna be honest. And my honest opinion is that you guys don't show the waves. You guys just show your face, basically the entire wave check. Alright, it was a little bit of y'all that was really showing the waves, that was really about the waves. Most of y'all was just about, you know, just showing off the face. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 500K. Let's get it. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.